Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to switch it up today and we're going to try these MelodySusie press-on tips. And we have 3 different designs and shape nails to work with here. So these ones are really fun. They're white with some gold. It reminds me of fall. And then these ones were really pretty. And once I opened up the nails inside, they are even more stunning. They're leopard print. So I actually have pictures of all 3 sets on my nails at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So I picked the glitter ombre set because it was giving me some fall Halloween vibes. Wait till you see these nails laid out. And it reminded me of Hocus Pocus. So I was really excited when I had these nails all laid out, the vibes that it was giving me. So everything you need to create this mani is included in this kit. So right now I'm going in with the orange stick that came in, and I'm just making sure I'm pushing my cuticles back, and then I'm going to file any rough edges that I may have on my nail. This kit is perfect for homecoming season is coming up, or if you're going on a night out of town or going to a wedding. MelodySusie press-on nails has numerous different fun designs for any occasion, and it's super easy to use, and it was super fast for me to use, and I was really happy with the end result. And I wore them for 2 days and I didn't have any problems or anything like that. You can use nail glue if you wanted more of a long-lasting nail finish. Or you could use the little stickers that came in the kit. It's like a little press-on sticker. I use those and I didn't have any lifting or any issues like that. I do have a baby, an 8-month-old, and I have another one on the way. So I'm constantly like washing bottles and getting them in the dishwasher. But I do wear a dishwashing glove. So I didn't have any issues when it came to that. And I did not shower with these nails on, but I did wash my hands and I didn't have any lifting or anything like that. So right now I'm going in, after we did the cuticle prep in the filing, I went in with the alcohol prep pad and cleansed the nails of any extra oils. Before you start any mani, it's always a good habit to wash your hands just to remove any dirt and oils on the nails. And now I'm just going through all the tips and making sure that I'm sizing them accordingly. You want to make sure that you are taking your time to find the right size. You will find it in this kit. There's tons of different sizes. That's the only thing that's going to take you a long time in this process, is just picking out the right size nail, because you just want to make sure that it's not touching the cuticle line or overlapping on the skin. So now the fun part. I've never used these nail adhesive stickers before, and they're super fun. So all you do is you find the one that fits your nail. So that's another thing you want to do, is take your time when you are finding the right size for the adhesive, so you get a good adhesive on that nail. So right now I went ahead and placed that nail sticker on the nail, and now I'm pressing down gently on that nail, and there you go, it's on there. So just make sure it's straight and press firmly, and then continue the process. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, so how easy and fun was this mani? All you have to do is figure out what size you need on your nails, put those little stickers on, press them down, and that's how easy it was. You are good to go. So these are definitely fun for any special event that you might have coming up. I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below, along with the discount code. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!